we, when we were little?
What?
Lighted fireworks, your dad.
Yeah. Well, I know he likes lighting them, that's why I let him do it.
But you get your lungs infected.
Isn't it like the one we had before?
Oh, that one.
Kind of lackluster, though.
Firework envy again.
Yeah.
Just wait for the explosion.
Boom! Boom!
Do you remember that one? It went, everyone went, oh, is that it? And then you suddenly went, BANG! Do you remember that one?
I've had a few near misses with them. It's like being at
Oi.
work.
Oi!
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 It's like being at work lighting these. You don't know what they're going to do.
It's a nice, wholesome can of apple
Peanut
juice.
crunch.
Yep. Yeah,
One of my 5 a day. One of my 5 a
I'm
day.
drinking blackcurrant juice.
With a hint of alcohol.
Mm-hmm.
Turn into a right alcoholic.
Shush your face.
Ahead of you.
She says as she guzzles down her glass of wine.
I'm ahead of you. You said it, not me. So I said it was a pair of you.
Ooh, I like that one.
Need more blue.
What was the name of that one? Peanut Crunch? Ah, there's the crunch.
What's it called? Crunch. I'll be a crunchy bit.
Yeah.
I like that one. I think that's enough videos for the evening.